Christians no get anything to fear with APC Muslim ticket. Abdullahi Adamu na him talk this one. Senator Abdullahi Adamu wey be the national chairman for APC and other members of APC working committee don pay salah homage to Presido Buhari for Daura. The national chairman yarn tori people after one private meeting with Presido say dem dey confident say they go win Osun governorship election.
By the grace of God, we will win. Write it, take it home, sleep over it today, and Saturday come back and say, Abdullahi Adamu, you are the son of your father.
The constituent say say some Christians get problem with APC as they present Muslim ticket for the 2023 presidential election, but he can't assure them say make them cool their mind sake of say nothing they dare to fear.
We appreciate that the Christians are interested in it, no doubt about it. But the fact of the matter is we are as practical as we can in this situation, and we do hope that people will see reason. Nobody is wanting to promote Christianity or Muslim ticket necessarily, but we have to face the reality of our politics in the country. And that's what exactly we're doing. So looking at Sophia, Shetima is another Nigerian like me and you. And yes, we don't all have to be Muslims or all have to be Christians. It is the will of God that this time around he's going to be the vice president of a great country if we win the election. And we do hope and pray and we are working to win the election.
Governor Bello Masari, when be governor for Katsina State, can talk saying support Kashim Shettima to be the running mate to Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
A former governor and a serving senator and a very intelligent and brilliant person, has all the qualities to be the vice president. So I fully support his nomination. He is very qualified, So I'm pleased with his nomination.
So as a critical stakeholder of the governing APC, what can I assure Christians who are now agitated over the Muslim ticket?
I think what is most important is good leadership. A just and fair leader, wherever he comes from. It's better to have a good Christian than a bad Muslim. Likewise, it's better to have a good Muslim than a bad Christian. So it's about the person, not his religion, really. I know there is some perception out there, but I think as important as perception is, let us understand the realities of the people. When they say a particular person will be this, let us examine the person, his antecedents.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.